Whether you've been running your own Shopify POD store or you're just starting out on your online selling journey, it's a must for every business owner to be aware of the holidays and special events that are happening throughout the year. This allows you to take advantage of peak season traffic and make the most out of your marketing efforts. And since we're less than 6 months away from the end of the year, it's high time to start planning for the holidays and events that you can leverage for your print-on-demand powered store. So without further ado, here are 11 holidays and special events for you to keep an eye out on this second half of 2023. Nothing says patriotic like celebrating one of the most important days in American history, the 4th of July. This is the perfect opportunity for your POD brand to be in solidarity with the American community and get creative with your product designs. Of course, parade merch and patriotic themed products are always a hit during the holiday. You can launch your collection of shirts, flags, mugs, and more, perfect for celebrating Independence Day. Aprons are also a hit product, perfect for firing up the grill on 4th of July. You can also change the theme of your social media pages for the week to reflect the holiday and build anticipation for your products. Lastly, you can offer free shipping or other discounts to your customers who purchase before or during the holiday. With over $860 worth of projected spending for every household this year, there's no doubt that the back-to-school shopping season is one of the busiest and most profitable times for any e-commerce business out there. Because most schools from kindergarten to college resume classes by early August, this month is typically when the back-to-school shopping season starts. This is when parents and students start looking for items like school supplies, clothes, and footwear to prepare for the upcoming school year. Since the back-to-school shopping season is all about prepping for the return to school, you can create and launch your own collection of school-themed items such as notebooks, tote bags, and t-shirts. You can also sell other types of products perfect for students, such as laptop skins, phone cases, or dorm room decor. You can also make the look and feel of your social media pages and website align with the season by changing your cover photos and icons. But most importantly, take note that parents and students are on the lookout for great deals and discounts. So be sure to offer promotional codes and discounts on your products. And to sweeten the deal, you can even offer free shipping on orders over a certain amount. First celebrated in 1971, Women's Equality Day commemorates the passage of the 19th Amendment, which granted women the right to vote. It also serves as a reminder of the sacrifices and struggles women have made to achieve equality in society. Nowadays, Women's Equality Day is more than just a day to reflect on how far women have come. It is also a day to reflect on the current state of gender equality and what more needs to be done to achieve true equality. Since the day is all about empowering women, you can create content that would inspire and uplift your female audience. You can also partner with an organization in your area that advocates for women's rights and support their cause. In terms of product offerings, you can come up with a special collection of items that represent female empowerment, such as statement shirts and banners. You can also offer promos made specially for women, such as discounts and freebies on certain items. Of course, we cannot miss out on Labor Day, which is celebrated every first Monday of September. This day honors the achievements of workers in the United States and pays tribute to their contributions to the economy and society as a whole. Labor Day is one of the most anticipated long weekends of the year. So many people take this opportunity to travel or spend time with their loved ones. During the 3-day weekend, you can show your appreciation to your working customers through social media posts with a motivational message. You can also offer discounts on your products as a way of saying thank you for their hard work. If your POD business is catering to the environmentally conscious niches, or you yourself are an advocate for sustainability, then the World Cleanup Day is something that you shouldn't miss. This event is celebrated annually as a way to raise awareness about the current state of the environment and to call on people to take action in preserving and protecting it. There are multiple ways you can participate in World Cleanup Day. For one, you can join a local cleanup activity in your area or partner up with an organization you're aligned with. You can also create social media content that educates your followers on the importance of environment conservation. Finally, you can urge your followers to participate in the event by offering incentives such as discount vouchers for those who join a cleanup activity or share content showcasing how they help in preserving the environment. The year won't be complete without the spookiest holiday of them all. While Halloween isn't really a public holiday, it is still a widely celebrated event, especially among the younger market. This is the time of year when people dress up, go trick-or-treating, and attend Halloween parties. Since lots of people across the country prepare for Halloween even days or weeks before the actual event, you can start promoting your Halloween-themed products early on. You can launch your own line of shirts or tote bags with spooky designs on them, or create a collection of enamel pins with Halloween characters. You can also ask your followers to share their Halloween photos wearing your products, and offer discounts to those who participate. Veterans Day is a day to honor and remember the brave men and women who have served in the armed forces. This holiday is celebrated every November 11th and is a public holiday in the United States. During this day, you can show your appreciation to those who have served by creating social media posts with messages of gratitude. You can also encourage your followers to do the same by using a specific hashtag and reminding them to participate in the 2-minute silence at 11 a.m. Another holiday in November is Thanksgiving, which is celebrated every 4th Thursday of the month. This holiday is all about giving thanks, spending time with family and friends, and indulging in a sumptuous feast. Since this day is all about expressing gratitude, you can create social media posts highlighting the things or people you're thankful for. You can also offer discounts on your products as a way of saying thank you to your loyal customers. Right after Thanksgiving is Black Friday, which signals the start of the holiday shopping season. This is one of the busiest shopping days of the year, so it's definitely something that POD businesses like yours should take advantage of. Tons of brands and businesses offer massive discounts on Black Friday, so you can do the same for your products. You can also create special bundles or package deals that your shoppers can take advantage of. And since people are in a spending mood on this day, you can also promote new collections or products they might be interested in. And as the winds of December start to blow, this signals the start of the Christmas season. This is probably the most wonderful time of the year, as people are in a festive mood and more inclined to give gifts to their loved ones. And while Christmas Day itself falls during the last week of December, the holiday season usually starts a few weeks earlier. This is the perfect time for you to start promoting your Christmas-themed products and to get in the holiday spirit. As early as the last few weeks of November, you can start promoting your Christmas-themed products or promote existing ones as the perfect gifts for the holiday season. You can also run a Christmas-themed marketing campaign and use relevant hashtags to reach out to a wider audience. Lastly, you can offer early bird discounts and special offers to shoppers who are looking to get a head start on their Christmas shopping. And not long after Christmas is New Year's Eve, the last of the year. This is typically celebrated with a big party, where people stay up until midnight to welcome the new year. The New Year celebration is all about starting fresh and setting new goals, so you can create social media posts that reflect this. You can also launch a collection perfect for people who want to start the new year with a bang. This can include journals, planners, and even clothing items with motivational and uplifting messages. So, apart from stepping up and planning your marketing efforts, why should you even care about these dates? Well, here are a few reasons why. One of the things every brand should always aim for is to stay relevant. And this means staying up to date with the latest trends, events, and happenings, including holidays and special occasions. By being aware of these dates and planning your marketing strategies accordingly, you're ensuring that your brand's presence is felt even in the busiest times of the year. This will help you stay relevant and top of mind even when people are being bombarded with tons of other marketing strategies. Of course, another reason why you should care about these dates is because they present a great opportunity for you to boost your sales. People are more inclined to spend during holidays and special occasions, so this is the perfect time to offer promos, discounts, and deals. By being strategic with your marketing efforts, you can take advantage of the holiday shopping season and increase your sales significantly. This will help you reach your yearly sales goals and grow your business even further. As you may have noticed, most of the holidays and special occasions on this list are centered around family, friends, and loved ones. And while your products may not be directly related to these occasions, you can still use them as an opportunity to better connect with your customers. For example, you can create social media posts that focus on the things that are important to them during these times. This can be anything from quality time with family to gift giving and more. By doing this, you're showing that you understand what's important to them and that you're invested in their well-being. This in turn will help forge a better connection with your customers and make them more loyal to your brand. And that's a wrap. With these tips, you're now ready to take on the rest of 2023 and make it a year to remember for your POD business. Just remember to always stay relevant, be strategic with your marketing efforts, and focus on creating connections with your customers. I'm sure you'll be able to slay the rest of the year and stand out from your competition. As always, thank you so much for watching and have an excellent day. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and guides to get you started selling with awkward styles. Is there something that we haven't covered yet? Let us know in the comments below. See you next time.